Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I'm flipping through some new product from Kellofaplan that's releasing today. If you're interested in purchasing, I have my affiliate link down in the description, and I'm just going to do a little flip through of all the things. We have 3 sticker books and then a planner, and there's also on the site a 5-year planner bundle, and you can buy them separately. These sheets for 5-year planning. So check that out too, because that's also on the site. But right now I'm just going to flip through what I received from this release. So we have this Simplicity Planner and Simple Plans. I'll do the planner first and then we'll do the sticker books. Okay, so here's the planner. It's got a really pretty purple cover. I love, again, the simplicity of it. We have some white plastic discs. Just wanted to move it up a little bit closer. So let's get into the planner. Here is the name page. Again, I love the like watercolor vibes over here. So it's a 12-month simplicity planner. I believe this is undated. So you have your months here where you can plan out what's going on in the months. So you have January to December. Then a dot grid page, and then we're going into the planner. First divider says breathe. All right, then we have the monthly, which is just like this planner is very simple and just on 1 sheet instead of 2. So you have the whole month right here, and then you can write in the dates on the corner. Appointments, meetings, bills. Love that little section. All right, then we have this month section here, a little month overview. And then you have a little list here that you could do of 5 things, your top 5 for whatever category. You have 2 of those and a habit tracker, and then a little empty space here. All right, let's go into the weeklies. Again, very simple, but each day does have its own little block and then an important section and then a dot grid. I actually really like this because I feel for some of the things that I do in my life, I just need a very simple planner like this. So something that I need, something more basic, is like for social media planning or for my shop planner. I don't need anything too elaborate, and this kind of checks the box with that, so I like that. Because I only have like a certain amount of things I need to do during the day, especially during the week for those categories in my life, that I think this actually would be a good thing. I could do I could use this for like planning out videos. Actually, this would be a really good social media planner for me. All right, here's the next week. We have Monday through Sunday, again, the weekly sections here. Very nice. All right, and then we have a dot grid page here. And then we're going into the next month, which is gonna be the same layout here. Same. All right, so let's just go over the dividers. We have calm, pause, quiet, peace, balance, mindful, joy, present, begin, and align. Okay, and then that's the back cover. Really nice planner. That is Simplicity. So that is the planner, and then we do have a Simple Plans sticker book that coordinates with this planner. So let's check that out. All right, ooh, these are really pretty. Okay, so we have lots of bullet points here, some checklist stickers here, and then we have boxes, some dating stickers that you can date your planner with. So you have 2 of those, and then you get this like more grayish tone. Like, actually looks more purple on camera. In person it looks gray, but on camera it looks purple. All right, and then we have headers, again the boxes, then you get green. This is really pretty, actually. This book is really, really pretty. Okay, then blue. And then the pink color. And it kind of has, it's not like a solid color. You can kind of tell on this one. You can see the different tones here, the watercolor tones going throughout the page, which is a nice touch to match the planner. Then you get this more neutral toned one. Okay, lots of functional boxes and checklists. Okay, more of that purple. Okay, this looks more purple. It's definitely purple. And then green. This is a nice book. This could work with a lot of spreads, actually. This one kind of looks like clouds. That one's really, really pretty. And then we got the pink. And then the brown. Ooh, and then the pretty florals. The simple florals. It's really nice. And then some small versions. These are all clear. And then lots of words. We have pay bills, errands, girls' night, birthday, doctor, guys' night, concert, bill due, don't forget. And I love the font style. And these are all paper stickers here. Okay, so all of these stickers, they will fit. Let me move my desk down. I keep hitting my camera. Okay, so these, I really, really like this planner. This is a really cute planner. Okay, so let's see what fits where. So I love when things fit perfectly. So obviously this stuff looks like it fits nice and perfect in these. So you didn't want to have a little list here of numbers. You could always use this box here to cover that up. So let's just do that. Let's cover this box up here, make it a little bit different. Just have a nice box there. You could keep a list there. Let's see what other ones. So we have, oh, obviously these little date ones. You could actually, I think, use here if you wanted to, or you could put them here, but I think it will work better here. So, oh, I don't know them. Okay, I'm just gonna put one. So you could put it in the corner like that. I'm not gonna put it down because I don't need to actually place them correctly for the month, but it could fit nicely in that corner up on the top. These will fit here too. In these boxes, those fit nicely in there. The checklists, you could use these to change the headers if you wanted to. These here, let's see, do these fit over here? No, but you could put these like down here. Oh, and you can see the different colors that are coming from this book too. Oops, sorry. Since it is different colors from the top to the bottom. Oh, and then we got these checklists. Let's see this checklist. Where does this fit? Okay, this would fit here. Down here. Nice long checklist there. And then these could fit in here if you wanted to. Or you could put this here if you want to just change the numbers into a little check. Do a better job than I am by putting it down, but that covers that up. Okay, so lots of options with that sticker book. It's a really good sticker book, actually. This will work with a lot of spreads, so I like that. Okay, really nice planner. Let me know what you think of that. It's really cute layout. All right, now we have 2 winter books that are releasing too. I'm really excited for this one because I love decorative stickers. But let's first go through the florals. Okay, love this color scheme, the pastels. Okay, so you get the functional boxes here, and then these really pretty florals with cute little snowflakes mixed in with them. So that's 2 clear sheets. Then we have this green one, and brown, and then this red. You get these really pretty pine cones. Okay, the blue and green section. And then you get the blue flowers. I'm really bad with flower names, so I cannot identify them. They're all flowers. And then we have green and blue and purple. Okay, here's the next one. More snowflakes for this one. Oops, that's the page. All right, this one's like more neutral tones on this page. And we got pretty neutral florals here. Ooh, yellow and blue. Ooh, those are pretty with the little berries. Then we got pink and purple. Ooh, is this Valentine's? Oh, New Year's. New Year's. That's pretty. 2026. And a little disco ball. Okay, this has to be Valentine's. I already love this color scheme. It's so pretty. Okay, and then you got the florals. I'm assuming roses for those. Cute. All right, so that is winter florals. And then let's go into winter icons. Okay. First color scheme. Again, all the functional stickers. And then the coordinating decorative. Look how cute. The little cabins, the ice skates, the snowmen. Super adorable. That one's cute. The trees. Here's the next one. The penguins, how adorable are they? I love that. So cute, them on the bottom. Okay, here's the next one. Purples. Little doggies. Sweaters. All the cold gear. Okay. And I like that, like, you could see how different they are, like, with the color schemes, which is nice. It's not all just, like, the same color tones. More snowmen. More cute snowmen. I like the trees. The artwork on this is really cute. Cute, cute. Okay, here's the next one. More pastel-y. Little cute kitty. Flowers. More cozy sweaters. Snowflakes. Okay, this has to be New Year's for this color scheme. Yeah. Okay, so fun New Year's spread here, or stickers here for 2026. Some fireworks. Clock. Striking midnight. Well, not quite. It's not quite midnight. And then we have probably the Valentine's Day one. Okay, Valentine's Day. Roses and the strawberries, and then we have a green section for St. Patrick's Day. Cute. The Lucky Charms cereal. That's funny. Look at the little purse. That's cute. All right, so a good collection of winter stickers to get you through this season with some fun holiday ones. But that is winter icons, and those are all the things that I have to share in this video. Really loving this planner, this sticker book. Obviously, love a good seasonal theme sticker book too. So these are really, really good buys. If you're interested in purchasing, again, affiliate link is down in the description. Definitely check that out. But that's going to be it for this video. I can't wait to use these things, especially this book. Oh my goodness. Let's get into the winter ones once we hit winter. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.